Hey, how's it going? So I got a request for like a Super Bowl party type of appetizer, so I figured why not make the I'm so tired. Chorizo stuffed bacon wrapped dates. They're super easy. There's all the ingredients you need. So hold on while I get things prepared and guess where you're at? You're at Carol's Seal Action Plan. Well, all right. Can we see what we're doing? I think we can. So your only ingredients you need for this are a pack of chorizo. I got the $5 one from Safeway. Some kind of bacon. It doesn't matter if it's thick or whatever cut you want. And then a package of dates. I get the pitted dates because then you don't have to mess around with stuff. Which I hate messing around with stuff when I'm trying to cook something. So I'm gonna. And when they're pitted, it's easier to. Because when they're pitted, they're already like kind of sliced open, so it's easy to stuff the chorizo into it. So let's open that up here and throw that away. I already have my oven preheating to 375, so you want to have 375 for your oven. The other thing is I think I need half slices of bacon, so I'm actually going to cut this whole package in half and throw it on a plate. So I just use like kitchen shears for this because I can just wash them in a minute, so it's no big deal. I don't have to mess with opening a package and stuff, so I just go right in and cut it all in half. Oh, these might not be long enough then. I might leave it. Shoot. Well, you know what? Screw it. I'm just going to leave them whole and double wrap the crap out of them. I think when I made these for Christmas time, it was kind of a hassle for the bacon. This shit is not even opening. I just don't want to get bacon jizz everywhere. I said that. Ooh, and I'm glad it's Friday. It's kind of it was a kind of a long week. I guess it's not that bad, but well, here's our bacon. Oh shit, it is juicing all over my hands. Oh. Let me rinse my hand real quick. Anyways, there's also red pepper sauce that you can make with this if you want, but I'm not going to bother with that tonight because we're about to watch a Star Wars movie. Our little Star Wars date. These away. And the sink. So, oh, it sounds like the oven's ready. It's fine, it can sit there. So you're going to put your gloves on. I recommend gloves because you're going to handle the meat with your hands. And if you have any kind of fingernails, then you'll be having meat snacks in your fingers all night. And you don't need that kind of action. Alright. Probably should have dried my hands better. Are you ready for your exam? Alright. Oh my lord. This take up the whole time was putting this damn glove on. Just because I don't want meat fingernails. I don't even barely have any fingernails, but what I do have, I do not want them to be meaty. So for me, the easy thing is you grab a date and see, you can see kind of where it was already split open when they pitted it. These don't have to look perfect. I'm just going to grab a little chorizo in my hand and stuff it in there. I'm filming, Mark.
Okay.
Just so you know, in case you're indecent trying to come out here.
That's cool.
So I don't want... We're not going to give a free show here. That's if I get a Patreon, then we'll have free shows. So now I'm just going to set it on my this is just a disposable, kind of like a broiler pan. I like it because it has the ridges so that when you get the grease in there, it doesn't get everywhere. And so you're just going to stuff these all up with the chorizo. You might have some leftover, but that's okay. Chorizo with eggs is delicious. These, when they're done with eggs, is delicious. So they're kind of stuffing them. Last time when I tried to make these, we used soy rizo. So I was thinking, if you're vegan, you could probably do the dates with soy rizo and probably some kind of vegan fake ass bacon or something. So there's always options. So shoving chorizo. I probably should have got toothpicks ready, so let me set this aside. I'm gonna show you what one looks like before I put it in the oven. So let me wrap one with bacon. Get out, toothpicks. Alright, so let's wrap one right quick with the bacon. So this is kind of thick cut bacon. I might as well. Oh yeah, we can cut that in half. Sorry for the delay. So let me cut this one and see what we get. It's kind of half. So you're just going to wrap it like that, and then you can toothpick it to hold it all together. Then that'll just go on the tray. So let me get the rest of these bad boys done, and I'll show you what it looks like before I put them in the oven. So what we ended up with, I make as many as I have dates. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 23. I couldn't fit that last one on the plate. So I'm going to cook up the leftover bacon with this. And I also have this much chorizo left over, which we can cook with eggs tomorrow. So no big deal. So I'm going to put this in the oven now at 375 for about 20-30. I feel like our oven, we have a gas oven, I feel like it takes longer to cook things sometimes. I don't know. So I put it for 30 minutes. But the recipe says do it for 20, I just burnt myself, for 20 minutes. And you should put, I would recommend putting it in for 20 minutes and then checking it, because you want to make sure the chorizo's done and the bacon is browned up. Okay? Let me set my timer. I'm putting my for 25. All right, I'll see you when it's done. All right, there's the finished pan of the chorizo stuffed bacon wrapped dates, and there's my one little sad one and the extra bacon. So you don't have to use these pans to bake them. I like them because if you're going to a party or something, you take them with you and then you can leave it there, dispose of, throw it in the garbage. Otherwise, I suggest put them on a baking sheet with parchment paper. But that's all for this video. Hope you like it. I'm just going to upload it real quick. I'll put stuff in the description box later. I'm about to go watch a movie with my boyfriend. Have a great night, and I'll see you next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and engage in the comment section would be great. Thanks again for watching.